We've never mentioned it before, but with this one software, you can make $500 for free. This app will compensate you with $500 and it is available for both iOS and Android, and they are completely free to download. Now in this video, I'm going to show you 3 apps that will compensate you for installing them. So you'll now understand how to get the best results and make the most money with those 3 apps. So the first 2 apps will essentially help you earn passive income for free because, as I previously stated, all you have to do is install them. So I'm going to show you those 2 apps and then I'm going to show you a 3rd app that we've never discussed before, and it will pay you for free. But first, hit the like button if you're enjoying this video. Returning to the video, you must first create and maintain your own PayPal account. Before proceeding to the website, go to paypal.com and create a free account by clicking this link. If you don't want to use that option, simply fill out the required information and log into your own PayPal account. You can open your bank account online by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and creating a free account on the online banking website. With that said, I'm going to jump right into my computer to explain everything and show you the application that will pay you for nothing. I just want to show you 2 more apps for a total of 3 different apps in this video. But first, I'd like to show you a different application that will pay you to do nothing. All you have to do is install them and forget about them, and then you can focus on the last topic. I'm about to show you how we can earn over $500 for free, and by then you'll have these 2 apps generating passive income for you. As I previously stated, this is the first time we've mentioned it on the channel, so it's going to be a fantastic video, so stay tuned until the end. The first site we'll use is moneysmsapp.com. This is their official website, but we will simply install the app on our smartphone device. Basically, it's a free app that allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS messages generated by the system and customers. All you have to do is download it on your smartphone device. Create an account and it will send you some random messages. You are not required to respond to those messages because they have no value. There are simply numbers that you know and you can delete as soon as you receive them. But you will still be paid for each and every SMS that you receive, so that means no work is required. You'll receive the SMS possibly, and all you have to do is sign up for this app, and every day they will give you fresh text messages and you will be paid for each message. As I previously stated, you can come work here and read more about how it works. But keep an eye on the next website because this one is only for Android. They will work on both iOS and Android, but this one will only work on Android, so you won't be able to make money with any SMS app unless you have an Android device. Their app is only available for Android because only Android allows for the reading of SMS messages. All you have to do is install it and you will be paid for receiving text messages by their money-making app. This demonstrates how secure their app is, and it does not read any of your data, including private messages, and only reads their own SMS. As a result, they will not steal or read your messages, and I've done a lot of research on this app, and people are really happy with how much money they're making with it and how the system works. Because as you can see, it is completely automated. You can earn money with the app without doing anything, and they also have a really nice referral program where you can earn 30% of your referral's earnings. If you refer a friend to this app and they sign up, once they start making money for $100, you'll receive $30 for free for the rest of your life. You'll be generating passive income for them, so there are numerous ways to generate passive revenue with the money. This SMS app is completely free, so you will never have to pay for it because it will always be free. You can learn more about how it works here. So basically, sign up for the automatic text messages and be paid. So here are some images of how the dashboard and app appears. I'm going to install the app and this is how it'll look. This is your referral code which you can share with your friends and family. You may also share it on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with various Facebook groups about making money online, telling them that they can make passive income from the app and then sending them your referral links so that you can continue to get passive revenue from your referrals. As you can see, this app has a lot of good features. Is this a scam or legit? If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you may check the proof of payment for many users on an independent website right here. They take all necessary measures to guarantee that they comply with the latest privacy policy regulations. You can learn more about them on this website, and you can see that people are making money from it. As I said, I've done a lot of research and this website works. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you love this video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you'd have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now let's return to the video. The next step, which you may use to get some free passive income, is called cashmagnetapp.com. Obviously, the app name is just a cash magnet and you install it on your Android phone. Again, this only works for Android, but keep watching because the last app will be available for both iOS and Android. And also, I'll give you something for free at the end. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end so you can get money from your Android phone that pays you for every minute. As you can see, basically you don't have to do anything because Cash Magnet combines all the top reward programs you want to play. This one is going to pay you a lot more than the Money SMS app, so we're moving from the lowest to the highest paying out. You can read more about here. You don't have to do anything, so just watch advertisements or play games and earnings will come in while you sleep or do something else. You could be eating your lunch, drinking outside, reading the news, or doing whatever else you do on a daily basis. Just do that every day and you'll still get paid for installing this application and leaving your phone out there. So expect to earn several times more after only a few months of working with Cash Magnet, and you'll be able to buy a brand new phone that works for your around the clock. It's also completely free. Again, all of these apps are completely free. There's no need to pay for anything, and now the last app we'll be using is this one right here in a moment. I'll tell you the name of the app, however, this one will pay you, allowing you to make up to $500 simply by listening to music. All you have to do is download this app on either iOS or Android, which is available on both App Store and the Google Play Store. So there will be no complaints in the comments that it only works for Android or only works for iOS, because this one works for both sides and you'll get paid for just listening to music. Install the application Listen to Music to gain additional points, and the more you play and listen to music, the more money you'll make. You can browse and play again from over 100,000 radio stations to find and listen to your favorite music while also getting paid to do so. As you can see, this app is available in many countries and you can download it on your smartphone device and start earning money right away. As I previously stated, this app is available in the Google Store and the Apple Store. Current.us is the name of the app. So this is the app website's name and this is the logo, which should look like this. Simply look for the current software in your Apple Store or Google Play Store and learn more about the app. And that's it for today's video. If you have any recommendations, positive experiences, or questions about this video, let me know in the comments down below. If you like this one, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, be sure to turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on our most recent videos on how to make money online. If you want to learn more on how to make money online by watching videos, simply click this video right here. Have a good day.